Hello everybody, welcome. Today we're gonna go over the recap from yesterday's prediction that we had. We're gonna start off with the daily chart on SPY. So what we have here is we have that bullish candle that we talked about yesterday. So we have that volume, right? Then immediately today, as you can see, we end the day with a nice green candle on both the volume side and the actual chart itself. Now, I want to go over the trade that I was going to take today, but ended up not taking due to the fact that I didn't get filled for my contracts. I didn't get filled for my contracts by $2. So, um, if we go to the 5-minute chart, I'll show you what I had going on. So, I slept in, and by the time I usually get done with everything that I need to get done in the morning, it was like 9:30 or so in the morning. So I was looking at a very weird looking chart, right? So I let it run some more, came back to it later. When I came back, we were touching this 429.66 area that we had marked on the previous day. We touched it, rejected it, then we retested it again, broke above. Now this is the area where one of my friends in my Discord ended up actually taking a short. Now they ended up being profitable in this trade. I didn't take it just because my criteria wasn't met. I was looking for that sweet spot of my setup to be met basically. So I needed a few things that needed to be checked off to in order for me to take the trade. So he took the trade here somewhere around here. I think he sold down here. Uh, However, I told him that I wasn't going to take the trade as of yet. I was going to let it run because I was waiting for a few things, and I'll go over them right now. So this resistance here is from the daily, and this break above in the 5-minute chart is what they call the liquidity sweep, right? So we break above, we kind of struggle a little bit, and then we finally break below it. This would be a good spot to take a quick little scalp, but we want that big move, right? We want that confidence, you know. So for me, confidence came in on this 5-minute fair value gap. So I told them that when this candle was made, there was a displacement made, so that fair value gap. So in ICT terms, the fair value gap is made when the move has a sudden drop, but there is an area that has an imbalance in between the candles, right? This candle and this candle. So it was this area here. So towards the end of the day, we made this big move on low volume to the upside. And once we got here, I placed my buys for puts. My buys didn't, or my puts didn't get filled by $2. So as soon as it touched this level, it dropped a whole dollar and 50 cents. That would have been a move of over 100%. But you know, I could have chased it, but I decided against it. There are more setups to come, like tomorrow, for example. So if we go to the hour chart, actually the 4-hour chart, we can see. Let's get the EMAs out. We are kind of dancing around with the 20 EMA. We held off a support here with good volume, right? We have a kind of a exhaustion candle here, and another candle that kind of invalidates this move up because of the volume, right? But you also got to take into consideration this is after hours or after market close, so we won't really know until tomorrow morning. But what I expect is I expect a move down maybe here to this area 426 before making that move above. Once we get this move above, I think after 430 there should be another another area here, probably around there, that we'll test again. So that's a good, $5 move. We just need to be able to catch it. So I'm not gonna go in again guns hot, which if I would have done so in the beginning, I probably would have been profitable actually. Market opened, danced around it, broke above. See that right there, that candle right here? We could have taken this for a massive gain. However, that's not how I trade. So yeah, for tomorrow, I think this area here, this 430 is going to be key. If we can't hold it and we break under this, and 416 for next week for sure, I would assume so. But that's pretty much it for tonight. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.